nipple if you're gonna do it.
No!
Shave a smiley face.
Just do it really fast like a band-aid.
Alright, it's 60%. Y'all on soon.
Those are long hairs!
Get the nipple here.
I'll do the belly.